everyone, welcome to our super easy wreath making tutorial. So we're going to do a couple of stages of making different flowers and then show you how to put it together onto a wreath. Okay, so the first one that I'm going to demonstrate is probably the easiest one. So it's one of these circle flowers. So to start off with, I've just got a book page just from an old book that was going to be thrown away, so we're recycling it. So one book page and just a roll of masking tape. Pop that on there, draw around with a pencil. Don't need to draw particularly neat because you're going to be cutting that out. Pair of scissors and cut round. So again, my cutting isn't the neatest, but that doesn't matter too much because as you construct the paper circle flower, you won't actually see the edges. So I'm now going to turn this circle into a triangle. So to do that, I'm going to fold the corners or the edges of the circle to create a point. Then I'm going to take this part and fold that up. So it's not quite an equilateral triangle, but as close as possible. Then I'm going to flip that over. It looks really nice because you can see all the text going in the different directions, and then fold the points into the middle. Okay, so now we need to fix that down. So simple glue stick, bit of glue in the middle, and as you fold each point down, just put a little bit more glue. Okay, and then to finish that off, everybody's favourite Christmas decorations, sequins. So you can just have one sequin in the middle, or you can go for several around the centre if you want to make it extra fancy. Okay, and there's one of the circle flowers. And then just going to show you on the wreath so you can see where we fitted a couple of them in between these larger ones. Okay, and then I'm going to pass you over to Rose, who is going to do the demonstration on the slightly more complicated flower.
Hi, I'm Rose and I'm going to show you how to make one of these flowers to add to your Christmas wreath. And here's the finished wreath.